Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. I'm not sure whether it will not change the position, but that's okay. Let me change the position of whole device. Basically, currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can take a look at this option bar, or actually it is whatever. Let's take a look at this option bar, and in this configuration, on the second position from the top, we've got the timer. So let's tap on it, and here we've got 4 different options: off, 2, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use. I will choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, the icon will change slightly, and all you have to do is to tap on the shutter button. From now on, this device will count down from 10, 3 or 5, depending on which option you've chosen, of course, and after that time it will take a photo. Yeah, so this is how it works, and of course you can always turn off the timer. Just tap on this icon, tap on this timer icon without any kind of minutes or seconds, and then tap on the shutter button, and of course from now on your device will take photos immediately after that, almost immediately, let's be honest. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.